Would you rather date a short guy but has a lethal face card, or a tall guy but is medium ugly? I would rather go for someone tall but medium ugly.
You know, it's okay to be mid.
So would you rather date someone who's short but has a lethal face guard, or a tall guy but medium ugly face?
How short is short ba?
5'4".
Hindi. Honestly, matangkad pero medyo pangit. Gwapo na maliit.
Okay na to hanggang dito.
Okay lang. Hi, short king.
Call out people who you want to collab with.
Zin hit us up, bro.
That's Emma Watson on a budget. W Shabuga. Bro, they said no pets allowed. But why are you here? I gotta pet the cat. I want to look like my dad.
Your dad's bald.
So my beloved wife, it's business, you know? Yun ang gusto nila masikip. I'm a pound for pound, you know? I like in the club.
We all fam.
In the club.
We all fam.
Jenny from the block.
Don't be fooled by the locks that I got. I'm still